As dawn breaks, the world stirs. But the welder's forge has already roared to life. Each spark that flies tells a story of dedication, of battles fought against metal and flame, a warrior in his own right. Every weld, every joint, is a testament to his indomitable spirit. But every warrior deserves armor, not just for the battles of today, but for the promises of tomorrow. Amid fiery sparks and smoky haze, he needs to breathe, to preserve the very essence of life. For in every breath lies the promise of another day, another masterpiece. Introducing the TRX800 from Weld, designed for the warriors of the forge. Protect your lungs, safeguard your passion, and ensure that every morning, as the dawn breaks, your legacy continues to shine bright. Remember, a true warrior not only masters his craft, but also protects his greatest asset, himself. Choose TRX800. Breathe easy, weld strong.